you for joining us on the news update on Enyimba TV. My name is Esther Chima. Traditional rulers across the Southeast geopolitical zone converged in Umuahia on Tuesday in search for peace and tranquility in the zone. The royal fathers, comprising zonal leaders and delegates from each of the 5 states of the Southeast, said that their major agenda for the meeting revolves around finding workable solution for the security problems in the zone. In a chat with journalists, the chairman of Abia State Council of Traditional Rulers, His Royal Majesty Eze-Linus Mbatanto, explained that the agenda of the meeting centers on restoring peace in the Southeast. Ezento appealed to the federal government to release the detained leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, in order to untie the knotty security issues in the Southeast. He said that with Kanu still in detention, it would continue to be difficult to segregate Biafra agitators from pure criminal elements that hide under the separatist umbrella to fuel insecurity. According to him, once the agitation cover is removed from the criminals, they would be picked out and dealt with as the law stipulates, thereby resolving the security problems. And that's our package. Please join us for more updates in our subsequent bulletins. Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to this channel on YouTube. Click on the notification bell to receive alerts when new videos are uploaded. Thanks for watching. I am Esther Chima.